Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by specifying exactly what you want. Be precise about subject, style, and mood. Once done, pick the updated Dall E model and choose resolution and aspect ratio, 16:9 for widescreen, 1:1 for square. Make sure to include constraints like forbidden content, lighting direction, or camera lens to avoid surprises. Use short, clear phrases in the prompt. Combine nouns, adjectives, and verbs. This gives the model focused guidance, reducing iteration cycles and saving time. Now you refine and expand the prompt. Add secondary elements and technical directions so the model understands composition. Then generate 3 to 5 variations to compare framing and color choices. Once results appear, evaluate focal clarity, background, and style fidelity. Mark what to keep or change. Adjust the creativity or temperature setting to shift realism versus artistic freedom. Repeat a focused rewrite of the prompt, keeping successful fragments and replacing the rest to converge on the desired image. Finish by choosing the strongest image and exporting at the correct size and format. Upscale if you need higher resolution. Once exported, perform light edits, crop, color grade, or remove artifacts to make the image production ready. If the image still misses the mark, troubleshoot. Simplify the prompt, make constraints more explicit, or switch model settings and regenerate. Finally, iterate only on the weakest elements and keep a log of prompt changes so you can replicate success next time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.